Hi everyone, my name is Dee. I'm a product owner at Contentoo, and today I want to walk you through a demo of the new design workflow, or well, workflows. So currently we only have one workflow, and we are moving to a system where we have three separate flows with one main flow and two fallback flows. Our main flow we call our visual flow, and that looks like this. It's a flow where you can upload different documents, and you can view and comment on each document separately. Documents have multiple pages, as you can see here, and each page you can comment on by clicking a certain point. Now let's go back and show you the other flows. So next to the visual flow, which is our main flow, you'll also have a Google flow, which you're already familiar with from our copy projects, where you have a Google link and then you can request a new draft or approve draft. And this will work for Google presentations and in the future also Figma documents. And then we have a final fallback flow for any outputs that do not match this one, and that is the repurposed design flow. This is the repurposed copy flow. It looks exactly the same as the copy flow projects, and it works exactly the same. You upload a draft, you can download it, and you can upload another document as feedback or finish the project. So that's it in short. Let me now show you how to work with our visual flow, which is the new flow that we have implemented. So as a client, I go to design, and I choose a language, I choose a service, and then I choose what I need, and I choose an output. These output formats are going to change in the future, but for now, if you choose PDF, is when you get the visual flow, as most clients choose PDF. So let's do testing for demo. Let me copy everything and go through the flow quickly. I will assign our test freelancer and create this project. Okay. Now that the project is created and I go to my design, I see that I do not see anything yet as a client because it tells me to wait for the designs. So in this case, I'm going to impersonate as our design freelancer and accept the project. So now I am on our design freelancer and I'm going to accept testing for demo. I'm going to give my minimum and maximum hours. And now I have accepted the project and I can see here that I can upload a design. So based on whatever the client has told me here, I will go and I will upload one or more designs. That is the beauty of this new flow, is that I can upload multiple files, maybe multiple versions, or just a big project that requires multiple designs. So let me upload this one. And I can upload PNG, JPEG, or a PDF. I will upload, let's see, I will upload the same one I've shown before. Okay, perfect. So now what I can do is I can indicate that it is ready for feedback. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now the client has received my first draft. So I will go back and impersonate as the client. And I see that I can review the designs. Perfect. So now let's open this design. I can see here when I hover over it that, well, I can see that the design is new when it was uploaded, and I can view and comment the design, or I can deliver feedback when I'm ready with commenting. So let's view the design. This is basically the design workflow that we're currently in. So we are actually in an inception scenario right here. So just so it's not confusing, let me go to this one first. It has multiple pages. I can approve the design if I'm totally okay with this design. There's no comments, nothing to do. I can approve. And then if I go back, it is approved. And that means that the freelancer can also not upload a new version for this. So he or she should only focus on the one that is not approved. But let's unapprove it for now. And I'm going to add a comment. So right here, I find that this could be bigger. So I click and I say, please make this bigger. And I save my comment. I can delete it or I can edit my comment. Now let's go to, let's say page 4, and I'll say, can we make this red, etc. Right, so now I have 2 comments. And if I click on this right here, I can see all the comments that were made on this specific document, right? And I can also see when it was placed and who placed the comment. So now I'm going to go to the next one and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to say, can we change the font? Perfect. That's all that I want to comment. So I can see here that there's 1 comment on this version. There's, oh, sorry, 1 comment of this document, 2 comments on this document. And I'm going to deliver the feedback. And I'm waiting for new designs. So I'm going to impersonate as a freelancer again. Okay, design, impersonate. And I can see that the freelancer should upload new designs. So as a freelancer, I've also received a notification email telling me that I have 3 comments left on this project. So now I can view designs or upload a new version, or I can even download it. But I'm going to view my designs, and I can see here that a comment was left. Now, as I said, this is a very confusing inception, so this is where the comment is that I left it. Can we change the font? Now, if I have changed the font, I can be like, okay, I'm resolving this comment. Then it turns green because I know that I have already tackled this comment left by the client. And what I can do is I will upload a new version. Now let's upload something that makes it less of an inception. Right here. Okay, and when I open a design again, I see that there are multiple versions now. So if I go back to the version of 4 minutes ago, I can still see the comment that was left, by whom it was left, and when it was left. And I can go back to the new version, and here I can see the clean slate. And the same thing is what the client can see. If I want to go to the other project, I can go from here or go back and click the project, but let's go from here. Okay, so I'll resolve this. I'll resolve this because, hey, I've changed it. I'll upload a new version. Right, so for this one, I will upload, I like this one. Boom. And then you also see a new version. I can indicate ready for feedback. So let's do the client one last time. Okay, I will review the designs that were sent to me. And as you can see, I see the final version that was uploaded, so the latest version. I can comment on this, and it will leave comments only on this version again, etc. But I'm not going to leave any comments right now. And as a client, I can also go back into the version and see what did I say about this, and was it also indeed changed in the new version that was uploaded. Well, I think it's perfect. It looks great. So I'm going to approve this document. Now you see here it says approved. Now again, I'm going to view this one. I like it. Perfect. Nothing should change about it. And I'm going to approve and go back. Now that they are both approved, I can approve the project and finish this project. Now, if only one of them is approved and the other is not approved, I cannot. So it will tell me that I have to approve all the designs first. So let's do that and finish this project. I approve the design. Okay, so this is how the design flow works. And if there are any questions or concerns, please let me know. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.